the city sleeps, every night he creeps, just surveying his domain. He roams around like he owns the town. He's the king, he makes that plain. He knows every trick, doesn't miss a lick when it comes to keeping fat. Some city slicker, no one is quicker than that darn cat. Every nook and cranny and garbage can he inspects so thoroughly. When he's on his rounds, nothing's out of bounds to his curiosity. He can smile and purr at a pretty her till she don't know where she's at. Nose like a geiger, oh, what a tiger is that darn cat. He's a sly old codger, an artful dodger, a scrounger unsurpassed. A ball of fire, a 9 live wire who just can't be outclassed. Yeah, this midnight rover, he lives in clover. It's an art he's got down pat. Never was a greater smooth operator than that that darn cat. That darn cat. That darn cat. That darn cat. Accolade, and he's earned all his acclaim. In a blaze of glory, he ends our story in the feline Hall of Fame. But the way life goes, in a year who knows, from the family he begat, you may wind up with one of maybe the son of that darn